part I keep fucking missing. It need to happen.
We have monomials. Mono means one, so we have one term. All of these are monomials. Binomial consist two monomials connected with addition or subtraction. Here are some examples of binomials. If the polynomial has three terms, it's called a trinomial. Here are two examples of trinomials. And once a polynomial gets past three terms, we usually just call it a polynomial. The word poly means many. Let's go ahead and consider this polynomial. The first thing we should be able to do is list the terms of the polynomial. And the only thing we have to be careful about is dealing with the subtraction. So the first term would be 4x squared y cubed. The second term, remember the original definition of a polynomial was the sum of monomials. So this is the same as plus a negative 12x cubed. So the term is negative 12x cubed. I just think that you take the sign with it. If it's a minus sign, treat it as a negative. The third term would be 24xy. Fourth term would be x. And the fifth term again would be a negative 15. Next we want to talk about degree. The degree of a term is the number of variable factors in that term. You can also say the degree of a term is the sum of the exponents on the variables. So the degree of this first term, because there's two factors of x here and three factors of y, the degree of this term would be 5. You can see an easy way to do that is just add the powers on the variables. This term has degree 3. This term has one factor of x and one factor of y. Therefore, the term has degree 2. This would be x to the first, so it's a degree 1 term. This does not have any factors of a variable, therefore the degree is 0. Or you could also think of, if you had to include a variable, it would have to be something like x to the 0 power, because that would be equal to 1, which would not change the term. The leading term of a polynomial is the term of the highest degree. So this term in the polynomial has degree 5, therefore we call it the leading term. Notice the terms are in order from highest degree to lowest degree, and this is called descending order. Considering the same polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is the same as the degree of the leading term. Remember, this is the leading term, it had degree 5 term. Considering the same term, notice the terms are in order from highest degree to lowest degree, and this is called descending order. Considering the same polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is the same as the degree of the leading term.